Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. So I just wanted to say thank you so much guys for the love and support I received in my get ready with me chit chat Q&A video. So much love from you guys. I feel so humbled. So starting off, my hair was washed, and if you see any white residue on my hair, it's because I had applied some leave-in conditioner and my hair was in twist. So I just combed my hair out. I am going to apply some age control. I'm also going to moisturize the ends of my hair using my Auntie lala. So I start off by separating the hair at the back. Usually I separate my hair into folds, but this time I was just like so lazy to do it. So the hair I'm using in this video is Twin Braid by Creme Fiber. So like I mentioned in my previous video, this hair is so good. It comes pulled or stretched already, so it is ready to go kind of hair. It is used for crochet braids as well. So what I'm doing right now is I'm separating like bigger boxes because I'm doing like thicker braids this time. So I first of all apply my cream of nature, make sure that I grab all my hair together. This can be difficult starting from the back, especially if you can't see what you're doing, but I always use two mirrors. This is the easiest way that I discovered I can braid my hair starting from the back. I did not fast forward this video so that you can actually see what I'm doing, because yes, I get you guys, I know you want to see exactly what I'm doing. So this is like how I learned to do my hair. I could never braid the back of my hair because I could not position my hands at the back. It was a mess, okay, but believe me, by practice you can get better. I hope you guys have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Like seriously, up until now you have to be subscribed, okay? Join the family and make sure you turn on the notification button as well so that you don't miss any videos from me. As you can see, the last one on the row there, I didn't grab it tightly, so I will have to redo that one. I'm using the Twin Braid, and this one is in color number 1B because they send 4 packs of color number 1 and 2 packs of color number 1B. So this here gives you like neat braids, okay, so beautiful and flawless braids. As you can see, my natural hair is not even popping through because I've moisturized my hair. So you need to make sure that your hair is well moisturized, okay? Otherwise, if you don't moisturize the ends, your nappy hair will be popping out of the braids, and you need to make sure that you grab all the hair, okay? So I'm just gonna show you how you can braid the top of your head, still using the same technique as I was braiding from the nape of my head, okay? So this is how you can actually manage to do this. It is a bit difficult at first, but you get used to it, believe me, trust me. I've come a long way. I never used to do these braids as neatly as I'm doing them at the back because I just could not do it, and my hands would just get tired and just give up. So this hair was sent to me by Creme Fiber, and this is the Twin Braid. So as you can see, as I was getting towards the crown of my head, I started doing my parts a little bit smaller just because I wanted a little bit more volume at the top, okay? You can continue doing bigger braids, but I just don't want to see too much gaps on my head, okay? Because I don't have much hair. So this is just the part that's left. So this is it. The hair is completely done. It took me like 5 hours to finish this hair, and yes, I had to get serious because you know how it is when you've got kids at home and they'll be disturbing you, but I tried my best to make sure that I finish my hair in one go. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my mousse and I'm just gonna apply it all over my braids, just to where I know my hair ends. This will just make your braids look much more neater by preventing the flyaways and everything like that. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and grab my wild growth hair oil and just oil my scalp, and I will try to massage my hair as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab my braid sheen just to make sure that my hair is nice and shiny. And I will be spraying this on my scalp as well. It's got like some cooling effect, okay, you know, when you've just had your braids done and your scalp is feeling some kind of tender. Okay, yeah, I was pretty tired after 5 hours. So the next thing that I'm gonna show you guys is how I did the curls at the end, because this hair can be hot water curled. So I just used some normal perm rods rollers or perm rods curlers. When I did the braids, I did not braid the hair all the way because I wanted to leave some space or to leave some hair for me to curl it. Okay, I was grabbing like 2 box braids and then curl them onto the perm rod and then secure it, and then I just went ahead and grabbed a cup of boiling water or hot water. And you need to be careful, you guys, this can burn you, so you need to make sure that you are aware of your surroundings or you know what exactly you're doing. So I'm gonna grab a towel. You will need to have a towel handy because you don't want any of the water to go onto your skin because it can definitely give you some burns. Alright, so you need to dip your perm rods for about 15 seconds to 20 seconds in the cup, and then carefully take them out and put the cup away. Make sure you know where the cup is, especially if you've got little ones around, and make sure you just, you know, squeeze all the water out. Okay, you can actually leave the perm rods longer if you prefer, but I just didn't have the time at this moment. It doesn't make much difference. The curls will be popping anyways. So yeah, look at that, guys. The curls are so popping. So if you want to know more about Tekon Fiber, you can find them on their website. You can also find them on Facebook. They're also on Instagram.
It's God's own on the bit.
God's own killing me with the sound. I go repeat it for you, baby, don't stop. Now you be my bus stop. Utee,
So I was like, okay, I need to do something to this hair. All right, so this is just like following the trends. Okay, so I had to grab a bundle of one of the hair that I have, and I had to use this thread or whatever this is that comes with the bundle. Okay, you have to improvise sometimes. I don't know where people get all those ones they use on their hair, but I had to use this one. Okay, so I'm just trying to achieve like some crisscross going on one braid. I just did one braid, and this was like the first time I did this, so I was like, okay, how do you do this? But anyway, it did work out eventually. I just did this like up to where the curls started, and I just tied the thread or whatever, and I used the rubber band just to secure the end so that it looks a bit neater.
My Monica, I see for my dream you on the jima. My Monica.
And yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.